This circular saw from Makita features a shaft lock for quick blade changes, a large depth control lever for secure adjustments, and an oversized trigger handle to ensure operating ease, with or without gloves. Its big support handle also contributes to operator ease and comfort. Other features include a noise level that is easy on the ears, a high-power Makita motor, and a blade stabilizer for consistent blade rotation and top-of-the-line cutting performance. This saw bevel cuts 0 to 45 degrees large, sports an easy-to-adjust lever for operating ease, and a carbide-tipped blade. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. Large cutting capacity for beams and timber. Number 2. Capacity. Cut 6x material at 90 degrees and material at 45 degrees in a single pass. Number 3. Power. 15-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through pressure-treated lumber. Number 4. Efficiency. Electric brake for maximum productivity. Number 5. Weighs only 32.1 pounds for increased operator comfort, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.